Okay, so for the like doing like a default grade like that, basically all you'd have to do is come into your grade book and then go to like whatever assignment it is here. So like I'll say, here, I'll just do this one because it has a submission. Um, and then all you have to do is go down here to default grade. So if you set that, you can do it as complete or incomplete. That's because, excuse me, you can see I have 0 points here. If I do it over here, I actually gave this 1 point. Set default grade, I can do 2 out of 2, right? Then if you already have some grades in there, you can overwrite them, or you can just go like this and set the default, and then you're gonna see now everybody has that. And then you can go in and just, put in a 0 or whatever if somebody was absent, or however you do that so that they don't get credit. So yeah, that's how to do the default grade. And then for your email signature, it's actually kind of weird. So once you're in your email, if you come right over here to this little like settings wheel, and then you click view all Outlook settings, and then you go to compose and reply. And then that's where you can do a new email signature. So once you're in here, you have like all of the font changes and stuff. So that's how I like made mine colorful and like put a link in there. So that is how you get your signature. Hope that's helpful. Just email me back if you have any questions about either of those things.